Hello everyone and welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today I am making something that's crispy outside, cheesy inside and totally delicious, chicken cheese cutlet. Perfect as an evening snack or a party appetizer everyone will love. In a blender add 3 tablespoons onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves and 1 cup chicken pieces. Cutlets were inspired by European croquette and later become a South Asian favorite snack. Blend it into a smooth paste. Now pour it into a bowl. Now add half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon cumin and half teaspoon garam masala. Then add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 2 tablespoon mozzarella cheese. Mix everything really well. Now add 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to give the mixture a nice binding texture. Now mix again. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons mozzarella cheese and 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. This will be our creamy cheesy filling. Now grease your hands with a little oil. Take a small portion of chicken mixture, flatten it slightly. Place a spoon of the cheese mayo filling in the center and cover it completely. Shape into a perfect cutlet. Adding cheese inside keeps the chicken moist and juicy. Beat 1 egg. You can air fry or shallow fry for a lighter version. These cutlets are rich in protein from chicken and calcium from cheese. Dip each cutlet into the egg mixture. Then coat evenly with breadcrumbs. You can make and freeze these cutlets for up to a week, great for busy days. Now heat oil in a pan on medium flame. Fry the cutlets until they turn golden brown and crispy on both sides. Always use medium heat while frying to cook evenly without burning. Chilling the cutlets for 15 minutes before frying helps them hold shape better. Using homemade ingredients ensure a clean, wholesome snack your kids will love. And there you have it, delicious chicken cheese cutlet ready to serve hot, crispy, creamy and full of flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like, share it with your foodie friends and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more delicious creation. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer your cutlets extra cheesy or extra spicy?